Ooh, what a nice alleyway that is. Oh, nope, nope, it's fucked, it's fucked, it's... Hello. What a beautiful weather. First snow, everything's white. Well, whitish. What a nice day to go do something fun. And by fun I mean to find the perfect tree. Well, but we'll see how far away the reality is from my perception of it. Because I wanted to climb the tree, but it's a tad bit cold and it's slippery, and well, we'll see what kind of trees we find. And I didn't take gloves. Yep. So a young lad, under-equipped and underprepared. Oh my god, that's how those horrific stories of people dying in mountains begin. But hopefully we will just find that lake I'm looking for, a pond. We'll see what's the situation. If we can find anything to climb, if not, maybe we'll just have a cup of coffee on the shore or on some branch, or I don't even know. We'll see. I did pick a spot that should be remote. And I think this might be a little river, which I hope does not have any water now, is dried up. And ooh, what a nice alleyway that is. Ooh, I think we're on a perfect track. This seems like it was made for this. But was it? I really don't want to step into some slush and have my little white sneakers. Not so white compared to the snow, but okay, that seems good enough. Whee! Oh, nope, nope, it's fucked, it's fucked, it's fucked. Shit. Okay, it was not that bad. I just got scared. Because okay, it's just mushy, but there is no real water here. For which I'm glad. Oh, there's a lake. Pond. Something. We need to find a little bit of a better view to it. Ooh, what the hell? Is this okay? I hope there are no bears. Okay, that should be too small for a bear. But other animals who might stay in it. Huh. This looks super nice. Oh, and there is some playground on that side. That's super nice. Yeah, and see that playground? And I don't really see, at least for now, suitable trees. These are all. But that branch, that might be fun. Unless I fall into the water. So I turned left from where I came. And that's another famous bridge. By the way, the cat Mom made me. So sweet. And it's not that bad, I would say. That was not the bridge I was thinking about, but it should be. Okay, I just hope I will not get impaled by no branches. That's nice. It's a good bridge. It's holding up my weight. Don't really like to be stepping over these branches like a horse, but cool. Yeah. Oh, why is it so fun? Why is it so fun? I have no idea. It's so weird. It's so basic. It's just walking. It's just walking, crossing little obstacles. Ooh, a rock. Ooh, and the river continues. It's so nice. It's so nice in here. And it should be remote. All I found on the maps was like forests and trees all around. Of course, not by a huge amount of distance, but still. That tree. Oh shit, is it beaver work? And that, the little thing we passed, was it Beaver Dam? Oh nice, nice. It really seems like a beaver work, isn't it? Are these little pieces of wood? Like, it truly seems like beaver's work from all the cartoons I ever saw. It's gotten down damn well, but it does not seem like it's going anywhere. But it is really sketchy, as I do not see any way of climbing any of these trees. I think I want to go down there. Boil some coffee, have a cookie. And that's that. Our coffee is ready. Black goo. My plan is to go there, admire the sound of running water, because I can hear it. Just the wind and the distant sound of cars, very distant, barely any. But this is nice. I knew I would forget something. It's wobbly. Good job, viewers. I got to find that stream. It's so audible. Cookie.
Hmm. I have another cookie. It's so mesmerizing. Like it feels like I could never get tired of the quivering water. Water in motion. It's just moving. Even if it's a lake, it still has those curves on the surface, and they change, and they reflect light differently, and it seems like it's always moving. And the sound, I don't know, it's something about. Okay, and I switch hand, and is it? Yay! It's holding. Okay, but this is too sketchy. So, taking care of the place nicely. Didn't leave any marks except for the footsteps. And now we're gonna meet up there. And we're here. Well, short walk. Oh my god, the locals brought it in some chairs. A table. Have a bar to work out on. Oh, it's so nice. Of course there are a little bit of litter, but... And the running water source. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? It's a nice stream. Okay. This seems worse to step on than was that bridge on the other side. It's all wobbly. I don't know how much. It's just I barely push. Okay, we're jumping this. It's not much of a jump, but still. Some animal tracks. They should be fresh because the snow is fresh. I saw a better way there through the pull-up bar, but I don't know. The way forward was way too fun. Through all the mushiness branches. Like, it's more fun to lean one side, the other, crouch, up, and to go off-road. If you hear me whopping around, it's just that I'm stumbling and falling. Not falling, but almost breaking my ankles. But I would... Okay, can we even pass through that bunch? It's like, it's so thick. Oh, that's my footsteps from before. Damn, it was scary. See how deep my foot went? It almost got buried. Ugh, it's weird walking on this. No, that's the way.
Let's try another hole. Da-da-da-da-da. And by following my own footsteps, I know that I am going in the right direction. Okay, not following anymore, but I generally know the direction, so it should be okay. So all in all, expectations were quite realistic, I would say. I didn't climb a tree, but I did walk on a tree. That was nice. And all this hike and this weather, I don't know, it's nice, it's empty, it's quiet. I'm planning to do this more often. Bye.